Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the laptop down and removing power and any removable battery. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove screws around the base and keep them organized because misplacement complicates reassembly. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bottom cover slowly. You want to see the broken edge and hinge mounts. Make sure to document screw types and cable locations with photos. Inspect the crack closely to determine whether it's plastic housing, bezel, or metal frame damage before proceeding. With the area clean and dry, gently fit the cracked parts together to test alignment. This prevents gaps and stress later. Once aligned, secure the pieces using small clamps or painter's tape so they won't shift while the adhesive cures. Mix a 2-part epoxy or plastic welding compound and apply sparingly into the joint. You're aiming to both bond and fill. After setting, lightly sand the cured material to match contours and avoid overheating nearby components when trimming or sanding. Reassemble by reversing disassembly. Reconnect cables, reseat the battery, and tighten screws to their original locations while checking alignment. Once assembled, power on and test the display, Wi-Fi antenna, USB ports, and hinge movement. Make sure nothing binds. If you notice play or the crack reappears, remove the panel and add a thin aluminum reinforcement behind the joint or order a replacement bezel. If adhesive failed, use a different epoxy rated for plastics and allow the full cure time before stressing the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.